Hi there, Tampa Bay. Thanks for joining us for Taps and Taxes with CPAs Mark Martikovich
and Mike Fleischauer.
We are here today in Palm Harbor at DeBine Brewery enjoying Suncoast Cerveza, a Mexican-style lager. This lager is very smooth and has an easy finish, making it extremely enjoyable with an ABV rating of 4.6%. No need to travel to Mexico to enjoy this light-bodied Mexican lager, but if you do travel for business and mix in pleasure, then stand by for our tax tips.
At this time of the year, many of us are making vacation plans, and if you travel for business, there are ways in which you can make some of those plans deductible. Currently, business owners and the self-employed are eligible to deduct business travel expenses. Business travel expenses are deductible if the travel is ordinary and necessary and directly related to the business. Combining a business trip with a vacation can sound appealing, but be careful or you might not be eligible for the deduction you're expecting.
The number of days spent on business versus pleasure is the key factor in determining whether the primary reason for travel is business. Your travel days count as business days, as do weekends and holidays, if they fall between days devoted to business and it would be impractical to return home. Any other day principally devoted to business activities also counts as a business day. You should be able to claim the business was the primary reason for a trip if business days exceed personal days.
Transportation costs, including airfare to and from the location of your business activity, baggage fees, and cab fares may be 100% deductible if the primary reason for the trip is business rather than pleasure. At your destination, fees for lodging, transportation, and 50% of meals may also be deductible. Documentation of the expenses and the purpose of the trip is vital in defending the deduction, so keep good records.
If you're traveling with family, only expenses for yourself are deductible. You can't deduct expenses for family members traveling with you unless they're employees of your business or traveling for a bona fide business purpose. And one more thing of note, employees under the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act can no longer deduct these types of expenses, so you must be a business owner or independent contractor to qualify.
This can be a complicated area, and there are various other factors that come into play on what you can or can't expense. So don't leave money on the table. Book your next trip to FMA CPA and let our experts show you the way.